What is the Kanban Maturity Model, KMM for short? The KMM is an organisational maturity model that explains how to implement the Kanban method to become more resilient and agile. It was created by David Anderson, the author of the Kanban Method, and Teodora Boseva, experienced consultant and trainer. David and Teodora have been working in high-tech industries for more than 20 years and noticed that all agile initiatives face similar problems. They gathered their experience to analyse different case studies and created the Kanban Maturity Model to help introduce the right practices at the right time, avoiding common failure modes. KMM is a roadmap for consultants, coaches or managers that want to transform and improve their business using the Kanban method. It maps out 7 levels of organisational maturity against the 6 general practices to ensure appropriate application of the Kanban method and successful adoption of the approach.